Having an angle grinder in your tool collection adds so many benefits. This angle grinder from Dewalt is designed to be used by the professional contractor or DIY enthusiast for cutting, grinding, and surface preparation jobs. It's rated at 730 watts and takes 115mm blades and discs. The solid spindle lock is easy to push in, making blade and disc changes effortless. With a firm yet smooth action, the power switch locks on, keeping the tool running at a speed of 11,000 RPM. The disc guard can be adjusted, and the auxiliary handle can be switched from side to side to accommodate different cutting angles. It weighs 1.8 kgs, feels solid, and works well in tight spaces. The cord length is just over 2.3 meters, and it comes with a wrench. A simple yet powerful design that will be at home in any contractor's collection. This is just one of the grinders available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.